अवॉर्ड पदरात पाडून घेण्यासाठी कधीकाळी आपण 30,000 रुपये मोजल्याची कबुली प्रख्यात फिल्म अभिनेते ऋषी कपूर यांनी दिली। काल दिल्लीमध्ये आयोजित त्यांच्या आत्मचरित्रपर पुस्तकाचं प्रकाशन केलं गेलं आणि या सोहळ्यामध्ये ऋषी कपूर बोलत होते। अमिताभ बच्चन यांच्या एंट्रीनं ऋषी कपूर यांचं करिअर धोक्यात आलं होतं। त्यावेळी आपल्याला अवॉर्ड मिळाला नाही तर आपलं करिअर संपुष्टात येण्याची भीती ऋषी कपूर यांना होती। त्यामुळे त्यांनी अवॉर्ड खरेदी करण्यासाठी 30,000 रुपये मोजल्याची कबुली दिली। संबंधित अवॉर्ड ऋषी कपूर यांना मिळालाही, पण तो 30,000मुळे मिळाला की आपल्याला अभिनय जो येतो त्यामुळे मिळाला हे मात्र त्यांना आजपर्यंत कळू शकलं नाहीये। खुल्लम खुल्ला ऋषी कपूर अनसेन्सर्ड असं या आत्मचरित्राचं नाव आहे। यामधून चाहत्यांना ऋषी कपूर यांच्या आयुष्यातल्या काही रंजक गोष्टी वाचायला मिळणार आहेत।
See, listen, as I said to you earlier, I was all of 21 when I was at a big star. I was so naive. I was such a brat. I was so brash at thinking. I used to get paid so much money for working films. And all of 21, and remember 1973, the value of money was, there was some value for money. Came in one guy and said to me, listen, if you give me this amount of money, I can get you the award for this film. So we ventured, but listen, this could be a con game. I'm not assuming that that money went into somebody's hands and the award was compromised. Let me say, we would rather think it was not compromised. But I did pay, and I did get it. So obviously I would think that I got it because I paid for it. Now obviously that money could have not gone there. I could have earned it on merit, but I had this guilt in me thinking that I bought the award.
You need to give him a round of applause. No one, half these Johnnies get awards which they pay for.